Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. Today we are going to make another traditional Swati sweet dish. It's called papri. So here I've got all the stuff. I've got a semolina, of course, not the fine one. I've got here mixed nuts, and I've got sugar, and I've got the ghee. I've got 2 cups of sugar and 3 cups of semolina. Okay, so to begin, first you melt the ghee. Once your ghee is melted, you add the semolina. You need to roast the semolina to change the color. So you've added an extra coconut. You can see this cut it into flakes, and the mixed nuts were almonds, walnuts, and cashews. There were green raisins, but we took them out because they're sour. You see, we took the raisins out. I don't like the raisins in it. Add some water to the sugar. Okay, so the semolina is now done. We roasted it for about 20 minutes, continuously stirring it. Now you add the sugar. As you can see, it's drying out now. Okay, now you add all the dry fruits. Okay, so the papri is now ready. It took 1 hour. As you can see, it came out really good. So here, that's the papri all ready to go, ready to eat. I just need a cup of tea now. Bismillah. Thank you for watching our video, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.